guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl XOevez, and today I'll be creating this amazing look right here. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. So I'm going to be starting this look by using my Davis pencil in number 3003, and it's a deep brown shade, and I'm going to be using to fill in my brows. As you guys must have noticed, that I started filling in my brows of the camera. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my dough brush to comb out my brows, comb everything out, just to give it a natural look. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be using my smudger brush from XOevez brushes, and I'm going to be using it to clean up my brows, just to give it that sharp defining look that I want. And I'm going to be using it with my LA Girl Pro concealer in Warm Honey, and that's pretty what I'm doing. So right after that, I'm going to be using one of my XOevez brushes, which is a concealer buffer, and I'm going to be using it to blend in my concealer properly into my skin. And once I'm done with that, guys, I'll just be applying the same LA Girl Pro concealer on my eyelids, and I'm just going to blend it out using my concealer buffer brush, still from the same XOevez brushes, and I'm just going to blend it in properly so as to give it a nice canvas for my eyeshadow. Right here is my Morphe Dare to Create eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using that shade right there. I'm going to be using it to just set the whole concealer. Yeah, the whole concealer. Once I'm done with that, guys, I'm going with this palette. The palette has no name. I threw away the paper pack a long time ago when I bought it, so I can't really remember the name, and I'm just going to be using that yellowish shade right there on my brow bone. Yeah, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back in with my Morphe Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be using that shade, that brown shade I touched there. Yeah, and I'm going to be using it to blend. And once I'm done blending, I'm going to be using that my brush just to blend out the color properly. Then I'm going to go in with that shade, and I'm going to be using it to dab on my V. I just tap it into my V, and I tap, yeah, tap. Then I'm going to be using the same brush again to just blend out the colors properly. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using that pink shade also all over, exactly on my crease, and I'm going to be blending it in. Then I'm going to be going over with that yellow, that orange shade all over, just to intensify my eyes. Once I'm done with that, guys, I'm going to be going back with my no name palette, and I'm going to be using the yellowish shade again just to blend out the colors to my eyebrow. And I'm going to be using my bamboo angled brush. I'm going to be using to apply concealer all over my eyelid, and I'm going to look upward and rotate my eyes. Wherever my concealer touches upward, that is where my crease is going to be stopping, and I'm just going to be using the brush and concealer to fill in my cut crease just to bring it out. And I'm going to be using this my romantic professional eyeshadow palette. When I bought it, it looked like a laptop. I really loved it, and I've been using it ever since. So I'm going to be using that yellowish gold. It looks orange. It looks orange at the same time. It's a gold. It's like orangish gold, if there is anything like that. So I'm just going to be applying it to my crease, and over it I'm going to be going over with a nude kind of gold just to intensify the gold. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my Naked 6 eyeliner gel. You guys know I use this gel so much in my other videos, and that's what I'm using right here. I'm just going to draw my eyeliner on both eyes as usual, and I'm going to line my waterline also using the same eyeliner gel. Then I'm going to be using my pawns. For this makeup look, I'm not using my makeup magnesia. I'm just using my pawns, and I'm going to be rubbing all over my face this time around. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Me Now primer. It's a face based primer and it's oil free, and I'm going to be using it with my bamboo kabuki brush. I'm just going to rub it into my skin properly. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to fan myself. And I'm going to be using my foundation, which is a fabulous look. You guys know I so much love this look. I commended it a lot in my last video, and I'm going to be using it for this look. I'm just going to use my hand to apply it to my face, and once I'm done applying to my face, I'm going to be using my bamboo kabuki brush also again to blend it into my skin properly. And once I'm done with that, guys, I'm going to be applying my concealer, which is still the same LA Girl Pro concealer in Warm Honey. I decided to use just one shade throughout this makeup, no changing, just one shade. So that's why I'm using Warm Honey all through, and still the LA Girl Pro concealer. And I'm just going to be applying it to parts of my face where I want it to be well highlighted. So yeah, then I'm going to be using my beauty blender to just blend it out, as you guys can see. That's what I'm doing right there. So once I'm done blending, guys, I'm going to be using the same kabuki brush just to go all over it again to smooth out all the harsh lines, so my face doesn't look weird. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to be using my LA Pride setting powder just to set my face. That is part of my face where I highlighted. And forgive me, guys, I forgot to mention I first used the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, but I decided to go in with LA Pride on it. I don't know why, but I just decided to do that. And right here I'm using my classic 16 colors blush palette, and I use my blush palette for a lot of things because I love the shade that I need. So I'm just using that shade right there to contour my nose slightly, and that's what I'm doing. My nose, my forehead, and all the edges of my face. That's what I'm doing right there. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Real Technique brush, and I'm just going to blend it out. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in my classic 6 shades Facebook eyeshadow palette. No, Facebook on you guys, right? Facebook eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to use to blend out those setting powder off my face, and that's basically what I'm doing. Then once I'm done blending, I'm going to go back in with my blush, and I'm going to be using that shade there just to blush up my face. And once I'm done with that, guys, I'm going to be using my fluffy brush. Oh, this brush is so fluffy, it's really fluffy. So I'm going to be using this brush with my classic face definer, and I'm just going to be going in with the dark shade in my classic face definer I showed you in my last video. So I'm just going to smooth out the edges of my face again. Then I'm going to be using this LA Pride lip liner in brown color, and I'm going to be using it to line my lips, as you guys can see. So once I'm done lining, guys, I'm going to be using that nude lipstick. It doesn't have a name too, because it's been long I got the lipstick, but any nude. And once I'm done with my lips, I'm just going to be going with this brush for my bamboo brushes, and I'm going to be using to apply my highlighter from my bronzer from my classic face definer palette, and I'm going to go back with this my fluffy brush again just to blend everything out. Then I'm going to be using my NYX, my NYX mascara, and I'm going to be applying it to my lashes, and I'm going to also be applying it to my lower lash line, my lower lashes also. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to be using this wig, and I made this wig myself. It's called Delicious. I'm just going to be putting that on my head, and I know you guys can already see the look. It's already looking pretty amazing, because I was rushing to work that morning when I shot this video, so I'm very sorry because I'm not going to be able to post how it looked exactly, but you guys can already see it looked really nice. But in my next video I'm going to make up for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new, you happen to stumble upon this video, don't hesitate in subscribing. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment what you think about this look and what you want me to do, new stuffs, new things. Don't forget to comment, and don't forget to, you can also share this video. I don't mind, you can share the video and spread the love. And guys, you can also press the bell button to get my notifications when I post new videos. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.